Are you looking for how you can unlock the secrets used by industry professionals from award-winning AAA game and movie studios that will make it possible to understand and implement modern-day concept art and design workflows? This course will allow you to master all forms of concept art, design, and machine learning tools, enabling you to execute rapid ideation at the speed required by the latest industry standards. Instantly transform your concept art and design workflow as we dive into the details of setting up your mood board and organizing your reference materials. Become a master of design as you master the power of keyboard shortcuts, custom brushes, and enhancing your character silhouettes. This course will make it possible for you to take your mood boards to a professional level through the magic of photobashing, where we will integrate state-of-the-art designs and craftsmanship into your concepts. Speaking of professional levels, we'll take the time and care necessary for extremely high-level polish and detail for your finalized art through orthographics and presentations, along with the best practices to prep your art for 3D production pipelines. Harness the power of machine learning to become the ultimate hybrid artist, allowing you to take strong traditional art fundamentals to incredible new heights as you take your art through state-of-the-art iteration workflows. By combining hand-painted techniques and understanding the magic of machine learning prompting, you'll become extremely efficient with the new modern hybrid artist workflow pipeline. This course will enable you to achieve mastery at concept art and design as you are guided step by step with Dave Arredondo, a 20-year industry veteran art director with experience working with some of the best studios in the world, such as Epic Games, Unity, Framestore, Tencent, Amazon Games, and more. Enroll today and begin your journey with us as you master your craft in Class Creative's modern concept art and design professional workflows course. We look forward to seeing you in class.